Hello. How are you feeling today after such a long, busy week?
I'm doing fine. A little tired, but overall happy to see you.
Hi there. How has your day been going so far this morning?
It's been good. I had a productive start and plenty of energy.
Good morning. Did you sleep well last night after your long workday?
Yes, I slept peacefully, and I feel refreshed and ready for today.
Hey, how have you been these past few days? Everything going all right?
I've been doing well, just keeping busy with work and personal projects.
Hi, it's nice to see you again. How's life treating you lately?
Life's been kind, a little challenging at times, but still quite rewarding.
Hello, did you enjoy your weekend, or was it too busy with tasks?
I enjoyed it, spent time resting and catching up on personal reading.
Hi there. What's new with you today? Anything interesting or exciting happening?
Nothing huge, just a peaceful day with small victories here and there.
Good afternoon. How's your workday going so far? Still manageable or stressful?
It's manageable. A few challenges came up, but I'm handling them carefully.
Hey, long time no see. How have you been since we last talked?
I've been all right, working a lot, but glad to see you today.
Hello. How's everything going at your job? Still enjoying the projects there?
Yes, mostly. Though some tasks are tough, I'm learning a great deal.
Hi. How are you feeling this morning? Ready to start another busy day?
I'm ready, though I wouldn't mind a little extra sleep before starting.
Hey there. How's your family doing? Have you spoken with them recently?
They're doing fine. I called them yesterday and had a nice conversation.
Good morning. Did you eat breakfast today? Or did you skip it again?
I ate quickly, just some toast and tea before rushing out the door.
Hello. How are things going with your new hobby? Still practicing regularly?
Yes, I practice every evening, and I'm getting a lot better.
Hi. How's your health these days? Are you feeling stronger and healthier?
Thankfully, yes, I've been exercising and eating better, so I feel great.
Hey. How are you adjusting to the weather? It's been unpredictable lately.
It's strange. Sometimes hot, sometimes cold, but I'm managing with layered clothes.
Good afternoon. How's your mood today? Are you feeling positive and energetic?
Yes, I'm in good spirits. I feel motivated to get things done.
Hello. What's been keeping you busy this week? Work or personal projects?
Mostly work deadlines, but I'm also making time for some personal reading.
Hi there. How are you finding life in this new neighborhood so far?
It's quiet, peaceful, and the people here are very friendly and welcoming.
Hey, how's your weekend going? Did you do anything fun or exciting?
I went hiking yesterday. It was refreshing and gave me great energy.
Good morning. Are you looking forward to the day ahead with excitement?
Definitely, I have a few plans that make me feel motivated already.
Hello. How did your evening go yesterday? Did you relax or stay busy?
I relaxed, watched a nice movie, and enjoyed some quiet me time.
Hi. How are you finding your new job? Is it challenging or manageable?
Hi. How are you finding your new job? Is it challenging or manageable?
It's challenging, but rewarding. I'm learning a lot and improving every day.
It's challenging but rewarding. I'm learning a lot and improving every day.
Hey, how's your mood today? Are you stressed or feeling relaxed instead?
Honestly, I feel calm today and I'm trying not to overthink things.
Good afternoon. How's your morning been so far? Did everything go smoothly?
Yes, everything was smooth and I finished my tasks earlier than expected.
Hello, are you enjoying the sunshine today? It feels warm and pleasant outside.
Yes, the weather is lovely. It's perfect for a walk in the park.
Hi, how's your day shaping up so far? Is it going as planned?
Mostly, though a few surprises came up, but nothing too difficult to handle.
Hey, how are you keeping up with your studies? Still managing well?
Yes, I've been consistent, though it's tiring. I'm staying focused and disciplined.
Good morning. How are you feeling after yesterday's long, eventful, busy day?
Honestly, a little tired, but I'm recovering and already feeling much better.
Hello. How are you spending your free time lately? Any new hobbies?
Hello. How are you spending your free time lately? Any new hobbies?
Hello. How are you spending your free time lately? Any new hobbies?
I've been learning guitar, practicing daily, and enjoying the progress slowly.
Hello. How have you been doing these last few busy days?
I've been doing very well, just keeping myself busy with work.
Hi there. Did you have a chance to relax over the weekend?
Yes, I spent some quiet time reading books and enjoying fresh air.
Good morning. How did your evening go after leaving the office yesterday?
It went really well. I cooked dinner and watched a favorite movie.
Hey, are you feeling better today after being sick for several days?
Yes, I'm feeling much better now. Thanks for asking with concern.
Hi, did you manage to finish the report before the final deadline?
Yes, I completed it last night and sent it directly to the manager.
Hello, did you enjoy your morning coffee at the new little cafe?
Yes, it tasted great and the atmosphere was very calm and relaxing.
Hey there, how was the traffic when you came to the office today?
Surprisingly, the traffic was smooth and I arrived earlier than expected.
Hi, did you sleep well last night or were you up really late?
I actually slept very well and woke up feeling fresh this morning.
Good evening. How did your family gathering go during the last weekend?
It went wonderfully, everyone was happy, and we shared delicious food together.
Hello, did you get a chance to call your friend who lives abroad?
Yes, I spoke with him yesterday evening and we caught up nicely.
Hi, how is your new project going? Are you facing any big challenges?
The project is progressing steadily, though some tasks require extra careful planning.
Good morning. Did you manage to exercise today before coming to the office?
Yes, I went for a morning run and felt very energized afterward.
Hey, how did you spend your free time during the long holiday break?
I spent most of it traveling to new places and meeting old friends.
Hello, did you enjoy the meal we had together at the restaurant yesterday?
Yes, the food was delicious and the company made it more enjoyable.
Hi, have you read any interesting books lately that you can recommend?
Yes, I finished an inspiring novel about perseverance and overcoming life's obstacles.
Good afternoon. How was your presentation at the meeting? Did it go smoothly?
Thankfully, it went very smoothly and everyone responded with encouraging positive feedback.
Hey there. Have you tried the new bakery that opened near the corner?
Yes, I tried it yesterday, and their pastries are extremely fresh and tasty.
Hi, how are your parents doing? Have you visited them this recent weekend?
They're doing fine, and I visited them last Sunday afternoon happily.
Hello, did you find the article I shared with you really informative?
Yes, it was very informative, and I learned some valuable new insights.
Good morning. Did you watch the match last night between those strong football teams?
Yes, I watched it, and it was an exciting and intense game.